said his morals aren't so well defined. You're here again. The rush begins, a line of joy and suicide. I can't find the words to say this. I'm running out of patience. Dearest, I'm so sorry you're disturbed. You know I'd hang on every word. With these breaths you take, I think I've learned. Careful, you might get burned. Tears tug at the corners of my eyes. I won't let them go this time. You're here again. The rush begins, a line of joy